There you go. So you can see that stone now.
It's going to go off again, look. Oh, no, it's not. Well, if that goes off again, then something is making it go off. Because you're not touching it.
No. I'm literally just bouncing.
I'm turning this, it's come off. Barry's come through again.
Yeah, Barrett, we've had Larry as well.
Have we?
Yeah.
So it's just fucking spouting shit. Tell Jenny not to bother getting
I will. I think she was looking at the obvious one.
No, tell her not to.
Oh, somebody. Who was it? Oh, fuck's sake. What is it called? It's a device, exactly the same, but it's a little handheld.
Of what?
It's a bit like an XCOM. So it's about as big as my torch.
I'm not buying any more equipment though.
No. It's about as big as my torch.
Yeah.
But what you do is you ask a question, then you put your finger. So say that's the ghost, yeah?
Yeah.
So you put your finger here, right? Mm-hmm. And you ask a question, and automatically your finger will just go over the ghost. And if it goes over the ghost, in the box it'll say
where's that
whatever. I'll have to have a let me see, you take that. I'll have a look on my phone, see if it's actually stored in my thing.
Tripwire again. Thank you very much. Whoever is setting that off, you do have to go near it because your shadow has to go over it. And let me debunk it. So, oh, it's right now there. It's right near there as well. So, I have sheltered that now. And it's me that's setting it off.
It's called a parapod.
It's called a what?
Parapod.
A power pod?
Para.
Para?
Parachute.
Where's that?
You can get them from all over the shop.
How much?
Let me have a look.
Lights, come on.
Yeah. Packaging equipment. Where is it? Come on, where's the parapod? Show me a parapod.
Can you light one of the cat balls up again, please? You see, it's not raining. It's just coming off this tree. Yeah. It's coming off the tree. It's not raining now. Let's have a look. Look. Where?
So what it is, look, it's a box. You see the emblem of a ghost there?
Yeah.
So you hold your finger there and you'll go, is there anybody there? Mm-hmm. And your thumb will just literally brush it. And it'll go, yes, no, feeling, rough. It says loads of stuff.
How much?
And that's how big they are, look, in that guy's hand.
How much?
He's finding them now.
Click on it and then you'll just see the price.
So it's, oh, fucking hell, $89.99.
Go fuck off. No chance. No.
But now you know what
chance.
It's called. You might find it on one of your sites that you use.
Let's have a look. See if Gemma does.
It's known as a mini ovulus.
A mini ovulus. They all are.
Parapod mini ovulus.
They all are.
And that's from, that's why it's from Spirit Shack. That's why it's so expensive.
Oh, right.
It's from
Spirit Shack are expensive. Ridiculous.
See if we've got another one.
Oh!
Oh, fucking hell. I was just about to say, what's that? What's that? And then I saw the bike lights. Just as you went, oh.
So this cemetery It is quite busy because it has a public footpath just there, and that runs. So they come through here, and then they go this way through the cemetery. So that way. I am just going to have a little walk, just to see where to go when we're in the lodge. So, this way is to the woods. I just need to know. Ugh, horrible muddy. Just want to know where it takes you. So, me and my sows. I need to stop saying that word. It goes forever. I don't think I'll bother. Because I know it leads into the woods. Because I've been this way before. So, I know, there I go again. So, well anyway, I know where it goes. So, I don't need to go there. That's my other phone. Well, bloody hell, I got my other phone as well. I got all three. I could have filmed on that one. Bloody idiot. Do you know, I've just been talking to myself, as per.
Why are you talking to yourself?
I always do. It's when I answer myself, it's the madness bit.
Well, the same thing, isn't it?
But I've just thought, I'm sure I bought 3 phones.
What?
I'm sure I bought 3 phones to film. I know I did, because I know exactly where it is. So, if... That is the one I've never used.
Right.
I've never tried. See, it's not even on. For fuck's sake, man.
Okay.
Gail, why didn't you check it? Oh well, I've got my power pack, so...
Right, what you need to do, when you go home at night, or when you wake up, you need to get all your equipment out.
I've got all my equipment out, I just didn't get the phone out and check it.
You need a
Because I've never used it.
nice extension lead with about 5 or 6 plugs on it.
No, I've got an extension tower.
Right, yeah.
That's got phone ports as well
As you
in
say,
it. Yeah.
So what you do is you plug everything in, you line it all up, and you plug them all in,
Yeah, I did today.
and then all you should have in your bag is your headphones, battery lights.
What did I do with those power banks? Oh, I put them in that bag, didn't I?
Yes.
Oh, bloody hell. My SP7 box is falling out. Right, we'll use that one, but we'll also use the other one.
The grey one.
S-Box.
Oh,
Scanning. FM.
it won't sweep. You have to turn it on to sweep.
Maybe get it into AM. That's enough then.
Right.
So
It was one of these buttons. So the volume's not on. I don't know where the volume is.
go to one. There you go, AM.
Scanning AM.
That's it.
Yeah.
And we'll use the SP7 as well.
So if there is anybody here who wants to talk to us, please talk through this device.
I think you get more through on a radio wave. I need to look for those EVP things, didn't I?
Is that EVP?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
let me get the speaker out for that first. Oh, I don't know what I've done with the bloody speaker. Ah, there's a power bank. Yep. Speaker. I know I'll put it in.
The big black one.
Yeah.
What's in this bag?
Which bag?
The one that you strode over. It's there in the netting.
Of course it is. Yes, because the wire's in with it. Don't lose your fucking memory cards, Gail. There's bloody hundreds of quids in there. And I mean hundreds. Because of how much memory cards cost.
Wow.
Oh, that was before Timo come out. And shit like that. I had to get them off Amazon.
You always get better through that one than you do this one. I've not really heard anything come through this one.
No, that's why I think you're better off with radio than just white noise. What was that? We had a voice straight through then. So if there is any spirits with us right now, you've stopped setting the equipment off. So would you like to speak through here?
Look what you're doing to me.
So would you like to speak through the little black box? Something tell me something. You see, there you can plug your thing into it. You know, your EVP machine.
Yeah.
In one of them. I think it's that one. But yeah, you can. Yeah, I think it's that one. What does that say?
Spout.
Spout. So it will be that one.
DC.
DC. Oh no, it's
charger.
charger. So it must be that one. Or you take this out. No, because Ryan, he has both plugs there.
So it's spout.
So, yeah, and it records on the EVP. So then you can review it.
So spirits, is there anybody there that would talk? Talk to us through these devices that we've got.
What was that? Catball, thank you very much. A spirit.
Spirit. Thank you.
Thank you, spirit. So, how many spirits do we have with us? Can you see us?
Do any of you want to talk to us?
You came through there then. What are you talking about? Oh.
We are talking about anything you want to talk about.
What would you like to talk about? Something then, I don't know what it said. Same woman.
Yeah, what was that?
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that?
What is it you're wanting, maybe? I heard what is it?
Oh, Bible.
Yeah, I think we might have a Bible with us.
We have got a Bible.
Oh, thank you for turning the light on.
Thank you. What are you talking about?
We're talking about anything you want to talk about. Whatever conversation
Let
you
me
want.
plug the headphones in. And then I'll be able to hear what they're actually saying.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Catball.
Oh, wow. See, they're coming through.
Yeah,
Wish I
wobbly.
could stand straight on.
That's why I was going to the pub.
Oh, yeah. Now, this is where I stood when that couple was arguing and walking on wood.
Right.
Wood floor.
So we're going to do an Estes method. Gail's got the headphones on with the speaker. When she's ready, I will. Unless she just. No, she's just going to check it, and then basically she'll just tell us what's coming through. So how many spirits are there here?
A 10-year-old.
We have a 10-year-old.
10-year-old boy.
10-year-old boy. 10-year-old boy, what's your name? The 10-year-old boy, can you tell us your name, please? The 10-year-old boy, please tell us your name. Is there any other spirits there that want to talk to us? Are there any spirits that want to talk to us? We mean no harm. We'd just like to communicate with you. We're just investigators.
I had a female then, but I was pulling my hood up.
The female, would you like to talk to us? The female spirit? Would you like to talk to us? We'd like to know your name. We'd like to know your age.
That was an old man, 80s.
So we'd like to know your name, your age, and the year, please. So for however many there is of you, if you want to take it in turns and talk to us. So the old man, what is your name?
We've got females screaming.
Okay, the female screaming. Would you like to talk to us? Female screaming. Are you okay?
A male voice said something and I didn't get what he said.
The male, would you like to repeat what you've just said? Are you the one that's making the female scream? Please communicate with us. Let us know.
Everyone.
So everyone, what's everyone? How many of you is there? Can you talk to us? Be nice to talk to us, please.
My light.
Your light. What light have you got? Can you see a light? Or are you walking into a light? The lights are safe. All the lights are safe. All the lights are safe. So if you want to talk.
And now I've got nothing coming through.
So spirits, would you like, if there is any spirits, we're here that you can talk to. You can tell us and ask us any questions you want. We mean no harm.
That sounded a bit creepy.
Please don't be creepy. We don't want no evilness, no negativity. We mean no harm. We expect no harm to come to us. So please talk to us.
Oh, that was a young female girl said here.
A young female girl that's here. What is your name, please? Can you tell us your name? Would you like to tell us your name? We'd like to know who we're talking to. We'd like to know who we're talking to. Would you give us your name, please? The female?
Me?
Yes, you. You can give us your name, please. Would you give us your name, please? Your age? What is your age? Can you tell us your age?
Oh, Callum.
Callum? Do we have a Callum here? Can you say yes? If there's a Callum here, please say yes.
That was a distant voice, but I didn't hear what it said.
We mean no harm. We'd like to talk to you, communicate with you.
Scram.
Scram. What we got to scram? What's a scram?
56?
Is somebody 56? Or is it the year 56? Is that 1956? Are we talking 1956 or your age 56?
He's coming.
Who's coming? Can you tell us who's coming, please?
Ooh, very deep voice saying, I'm here.
Okay, who's here? Who's the I'm here? What's your name, please?
Very gruff too. Very deep voice.
The deep voice, come on. Can you please talk to us? What is your...
Then another male voice, but I didn't quite get what he said because I was talking.
What's your name, please? Can you repeat your name? Give us your name. We mean no harm. We don't expect any harm to come to us. We come in peace. We don't expect no negativity.
Someone just tap me on right there.
Wow.
Went like that.
Wow. So you're here then? You're tapping Gail? Is that right? Are you tapping Gail? What's your name? Can you tell us your name, please, Spirit? Oh, thank you, Spirit. The Spirit that set the cat ball off.
Carol or Coral?
Carol or Coral? Is that
A lady said, I'm scared.
the lady? Don't be scared. What are you scared of? Don't be scared of us. We mean no harm. We come in peace. Whoa, fuck that.
What?
No.
What's up?
I'm being fucking... Right, you got your head up, yeah? I'm away from the tree. I've been standing here, right? On my hood.
So, and I got
And you've
this.
had the tap. And when the tap happened, the cat ball went off as well.
Really?
Yeah. But you've said that it's the very deep and not...
Deep voice. Very menacing, I'd
Yeah.
say.
So I was like, and I've only asked for his name nicely, and we don't want no negativity. And as soon as I said negativity,
Really?
on my hood, yeah. And I was like, oh, it's the tree. Hang on, I'm nowhere near the tree. I'm stood here, lot. I'm stood here.
Yeah, you're nowhere near the tree.
So I'm nowhere near the tree. Because I've just been going like this. And then I've gone round and panned round. Because I thought something was behind me. So obviously there was.
Yes. Especially if you've sensed it as well.
And I keep saying, I think we've got a couple of flickers as well. But obviously I'm watching you as well as trying to watch the camera. So I'm like, but when I've not looked, there's like been a flicker.
Alright, I'll go back on.
Right. So we have no
There's
negative.
loads coming through.
Yeah.
There
You-
was nothing coming through.
You're partly
and then
answering-
There were loads coming through, like there is now.
Yeah. Most of the questions are coming through okay.
That was a me then.
Okay, me. Me. What's your name, please? Can you tell me your name? Was it you that's touched myself and Gail?
Oh, we've got a load of children's voices.
We've got a lot of children around. Do any of the children want to talk to us? Thank you for the...
Me.
Me. Me. Would you like to talk to us? You can talk to us. What is your name? Your age? Would you like to give us your name and age?
Go on then.
What is your name then? My name's Marvin. This is Gail over here that's talking to us. You're talking through Gail. My name's Marvin. Would you like to talk?
Did that?
Would you say that
I
again?
think that was I did that.
You did that. You did what? Are you the one that touched us? Are you the one that touched us? Wow, thank you. Thank you for turning the light on. And a flash. Thank you.
Ooh,
And another
Benny.
flash. That's me breathing. Oh, thank you for the cat ball too. Thank you. So we've got the cat ball and the light. Would you like to set the carousel off? If there's children there, the
I
carousel.
just did. Cat ball.
Yeah.
The idea.
Yes, thank you for the cat ball. Would you like to set the carousel off? You only have to go near the carousel and it will make a sound and flash lights. Oh, orb. Oh, couple more orbs. Wow, another orb. Hello people. Hello spirits. We mean no harm. We mean no negativity, no evilness, and we expect no negativity or evilness to come to us either. Okay? We come in peace with tranquility. We'd like to know your name and your age. We would like to see if you can touch it.
Report her.
Report her. What for? Who we got to report? So would you like to set any of the other equipment off?
They've stopped coming through altogether.
Yeah, we've had a disturbance. Spirits, you don't need to run away. There's only us here.
Oh, a very distant male voice then.
Okay. The male voice, would you like to come through and talk to us?
If there's any spirits and you'd like to talk, please come closer and talk through these on my ears.
Want to talk through Gail?
Oh, a man laughing at me.
The man that's laughing. Would you like to give us your name, please? Why are you laughing?
Michael.
Michael. Hello, Michael. Michael, do you like to have jokes? Would you like to,
Come.
would you like to touch the equipment?
That's how he said it. Come. And I always say, come.
Yeah. So would you like to give us your age? Touch any of the devices?
What?
These devices that are around near Gail. We've got lights, cat balls, they flash. Turn the lights on.
He said, no.
Okay. That's not a problem. You want to just talk through Gail. Can you give us your age, please? Would you like to give us your age? Can you give us your age, please?
A woman, oh, and a man. I didn't quite get what they said because I went to talk. Oh, someone's just told me to go, shh.
Okay. So, somebody wants us to be quiet, but somebody wants to talk to us. So who is it that wants to talk to us?
I do.
Okay, I do. What's your name? Talk to us. Tell us your name.
Oh, woman said, and I.
And I. The woman. What's your name? Come on then, talk to us. Tell us your name. Tell us your name, please.
A a group of people said, run.
Why have we got to run? Why do we need to run?
For fuck's sake.
Somebody's swearing at us. Why are you swearing? You don't need to swear. Don't need to swear.
Don't go round the corner.
We won't go round the corner. We're staying here. I just keep turning round in circles. We're not going round the corner. Okay, why can't we go round the corner? Can you tell us why?
Talking to you, Mike.
Talking to Mike. Do you mean me? I'm Marvin. Did you get my name wrong? Or why can't Mike go round the corner? Can you tell us that? Become or because?
No, that was not. Behind you. Shit, that come through so fucking clear.
Okay, so you was behind Gail. Okay, well stand back. You can talk to us.
That came through so
Right, well,
clear.
you've been under a while, so
Have I?
expect now we'll have a fag.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You can chill through, and I tell you what, that was fucking good.
Was it?
It was fucking good. Bit nervy. Got loads of orbs.
Really?
Even though you know how you see the rain come down, look. Yeah. Orbs have literally been coming at it.
Really?
So you can tell the orb from the rain.
Rain. Because rain,
And we've had
it
loads.
does.
We can't go around the corner. And then it was like, Mike.
Yeah,
says, why can't
and
we
he
go round the
first
corner?
Said, he first said, Michael, I think.
Yeah, and I says, have you got the name
and
wrong?
then,
Are you referring to me?
and then a guy said, he's talking to you, Mike.
Yeah. And I'm like, do you mean me? My name's Marvin.
Cat ball.
Oh, it's fine. We've had the cat ball going, we've had the light going, cat balls are going. Got it all recorded.
Really?
Yeah. That's what I say, it has been fairly good. Been a bit airy, especially after being touched as well, standing right up
Yeah,
here.
that tap. That cat ball.
Another cat ball going off. Well done, thank you. So you're letting us know that you're still present. I'm glad you are. We're going to have a quick...
Cigarette.
We're going to...
break.
Yep, we're going to roll a candle and light a candle. That's the best way to say it. We're going to roll
I'm gonna
a candle.
Light a candle.
Or we're going to light a candle. And then we will talk to you again. But to let us know that you are still here, please touch the equipment, because otherwise we think that nobody's here and we might end up packing up and going.
Yes.
So,
And we don't want to leave you if you are here and you're communicating through the equipment.
so as
That
long as
would
you're
be amazing.
communicating, we will hang around for it. Okay. But no, we've had some.
But me and Carl used to come up here
Yeah.
once a week at least, and we would always get activity. What's up?
I just feel like I've been punched in the head.
Really?
Yeah. It's the pain of being punched in the head. I've not felt it punch, it's just the pain.
Is it sharp?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like literally like if you've been
You see,
punched in the head
Carl,
and you get that twinge.
Carl stood here where that K2 is. Right, and that's when he keeled over with pains in his chest.
Right, let's have that. Oh, fucking hell, yeah.
I can't
Okay.
roll a fag and hold this as well. But I want to
Right.
film.
If there is... Okay, if you're making yourself known, but stand back, please. Because
Yes, don't
that
please
is
affect
hurting.
Marvin in that way because it's not nice.
Whoa.
And if we do, we will have to leave. And I don't want to leave. You're not filming, Marvin.
I am, but behind me. Whoa, it's alright. I've just had a bit of a pain in the side as though I've not felt somebody hit me, but I've just had a pain as though something had hit me and then went a little bit dizzy. So I've stepped back a little bit.
So Carl went like that.
Oh, I've just heard a bleep. I don't know if it was that or that.
I bet you it was the tripwire again. I mean, that tripwire, that has been going off. Here, look, told you. Thank you for that.
Thank you. That's all we need is just, oh, thank you for the orb. Okay, you've come this way, but please don't touch us or harm us. We're not harming
you can touch us, but don't harm us.
Don't put any pain on us. We don't give you pain. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh dear, it's going to come down now, isn't it?
Back under here a little bit more.
I think we'll just have a fag and then we'll wrap up. Would you like, if you'd like us to go, light one of the cat balls up, the little plastic balls, or even the K2s.
We've had that K2 flickering a little bit. It's not really gone to yet, it's just had like 2 green flickering.
Has it?
Mm.
Tripwire. No, it's not, it's the teapot. That was the teapot.
Oh, thank you.
I said the teapot, didn't I?
Okay, so you're still around with us. That's good.
I said if you wanted us to go light the cat balls up, but it's lit those up instead, and it set the teapot off for the first time tonight. So, you know the bad one that came through?
Yeah.
Because I heard a woman say he's always coming.
Yeah, I got somebody's coming.
And then straight after that, it was literally back to back said, I can't remember now, I'm here or something like that.
Yeah.
And it was a very deep, menacing tone to it.
So
Proper menacing.
I says, what's your name? And
then someone spoke really clearly. He said, I'm here. And then straight away, I'm behind you.
yeah. And when it went quiet...
Yeah, it went really quiet.
Yeah, because somebody walked past.
Really?
Yeah, somebody come past. Just walked through. He made me jump actually because I just saw a shadow coming over the top here and I'm like, oh, what? And then he walked through that. I'm like, oh. So I kept quiet and then started coming back.
That, it just went to white noise. The voices just ceased.
Mm. Maybe they do because like
For a good 5 minutes.
there's people around, aren't they?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Not too bad. What time do you think it is?
I'd say about 11:15.
Nowhere near.
What? No way. What time did we come out? About 8:15.
I was up here for quarter past, so it'd be about
8ish.
I'd say about 8:30 we was here.
Yeah.
We-
And yet,
Oh,
light.
thank you.
And yet there was no wind then, so it could not definitely be the trees.
No.
Can you light any of the little plastic balls up if you'd like us to leave? I've just seen a white light came from that light then, and with my own eyes. Did you have the camera on it?
No, because something was behind me. Again.
Really?
Yeah. And I'm not.
No.
No, it's not that because it's a rough rustle.
No, it's not.
So it's not. No, it's definitely not the tree. The tree's a rough rustle.
There was a couple arguing in the background as well.
That's why I just went like that. Then I was coming round, that's what you said. So just missed that. I have been literally panning like this all the time, even where you've been under.
That I can't believe how clear that is. That is never like that at the last church. Look, flickering again. Drop the flag. Or should I say I dropped my torch?
Drop the torch. Drop candle. We hold
I
candles.
think I'll start bringing some in. Because I'm going to take this back now, but thanks for setting it off. And thank you for setting these off.
Yes, thank you. It's a shame it's raining.
Thank you for setting the cat ball. A special thank you for setting this off. Thank you, Stephen.